My name is Terry Steinkamp, and I'm the maintenance training specialist here at MP Dodge. I started as a groundskeeper in 2006, became maintenance shortly thereafter, worked for a few years as maintenance, and then became a supervisor, and then now I'm the maintenance training specialist. I really love training the new future of the company. Seeing the groundskeepers go from grounds to maintenance as I did, or maintenance to supervisors, or just showing people an easier way to do a task that I've been doing for years, and I've found an easier way. It really makes me proud to see that somebody's taking the knowledge I've given them and applied it and able to get a promotion. There's a current maintenance guy that's being trained up to be supervisor. There's two actually, and that's a very prideful moment for me, seeing that move. It's a very good idea to apply for MP Dodge. I've told many people to apply. I've told my own children to apply. Your voice matters in the company. They are very welcome to your questions or concerns about company or property. They listen to you. Everybody cares about everybody else. Up and down, you're a groundskeeper, you still matter. You're not just a number in this company, you're an actual employee / part of the family.